Welcome, January 25th, 2021. So, you want a crypto? Well, let's see. Today, we're going to talk about XNS. Looks like there's a pretty good demand for XNS information. And I figured after this pullback, it'd be a good time to get in here. We saw 2 pennies and then a really big pullback. So, is that it? Are we done? Was that the ride? That's it, man. Hope you liked it. Get back in line. No, I don't think so. Let's go through a few things right here. We hit a market cap 1.9 million, trading volume 2.7. That's a lot. Let's see what this. Yeah, see, look, we're gonna get a lot of this for a minute. 5 million, 5 million, 5 million, 6 million. So, not too bad, not too bad. Getting into the millions. So, and then lots of buying. Look at tens of millions. Oh wait, no, that's a decimal point, my bad. Tens of thousands. Hundreds of thousands. Here we go, a couple million. So you get the idea. There's a strong demand to make a little profit, and there's a strong demand to acquire new XNS. So I think you're safe. I mean, this isn't financial advice, and I don't really know, but let's see. Insolar 3.5% down over 24 hours. However, we went up like 300% over a week. So up 300, down 3, and we're already coming back. Let's look and see if we can find some news. Nothing really new here. This is CoinFi. Trading volume. Okay. So this is fun right here. Twitter. We're on XNS. XNS ran over 2 cents. That's a 10x in 4 days from 0.2 by the dip. I like this. This is where we're at. This is all, yesterday? Reminds me of Zill. Easy 10x, anyone? We'll put all these links in the bottom down here. Fourth generation blockchain protocol with the most complete and secure set of production-ready development tools and services. Let's see what this is. No, it's just whatever. Anyway, so here's a couple snippets. We're talking about blockchain 4.0, Mr. H here. This is off of the Insolar page. I think I've shared this before. Here's 1 million Bitcoin. XNS 2021 will be biggest pump for Insolar. He's got his estimate right here. That's in BTC. And then Bollinger Bands are getting very tight. RSI is ascending. A big explosion is so close. XNS is a valuable project with a huge community. All of this is on their Twitter. Insolar currently trading up 44% against the US. So what are people talking? This is Twitter, so let's see if we can find. As you can see, I opened a bunch of stuff right here. Trading up 26% against not a whole lot. Most of the trading is on Qcoin. Tezos, that's another project that I like. We get over here to Medium, and they talk about expanded roadmap for 2021 release Insolar team. This was quite a while ago, but mainnet was just launched. So you have mainnet 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and then the enterprise net in 2021. So I think the best things for this Insolar are yet to come. Enterprise blockchain firm Insolar launches mainnet back in February 2020. And we can see the news on this. There's a lot of news on here if you want to search. Insolar blockchain partners with Microsoft, Oracle, and Swiss. That's a year ago. That's also on their page. You can see the links to their other friends and associates, or however you want to talk about. partners. There you go. So let's see, what do we got here? Trading Beast. Trading Beast, let's see. February 2021. Let's look at some of these are their predictions. By December, they're talking at 5.6 cents. 336% up from now. Keep going. Next year, 400. Next year, 500. Next year, 5.5. Is Insolar a good investment in 2021? According to Trading Beast, yes, it is. However, when we look at Wallet Investor, they say no. They say it's D. It's a bad long-term 1-year investment. So it's up to you. And yet you come down here and they're bullish on it. On Nomics, down 4%. Trading volume is up 60%, 66% in the last 24 hours. And the market cap's down 4%. Insolar statistics. 82% of the volume has been on KuCoin, and then the other 17 on BitMax, and then a few other scragglers pulling in the rest. I'll put this Nomics link in the bottom. It has a lot of website links. Data exchange is the backbone of every business. Insolar develops the platform and solutions to power trusted data exchange between businesses. Insolar Assured Ledger technology ensures data consistency, transparency, and security. Control access and retain ownership of shared data. Insolar works with Microsoft, Oracle, UC Berkeley, and Fortune Global 500. They have a team of 80 people, 50 engineers, and Europe and North America are there. Here's some market breakdowns, historical data, frequently asked questions. When did Insolar start? At February 2020. How high can Insolar go? Nomics has Insolar. They say, it's been as high as $1.39. However, similar assets. And finally, Insolar's Facebook page. It's been a minute since we've seen anything on here. The same as the Twitter update on their Twitter account back in December. So hopefully they're busy making things work. Coming back over here. So what are we thinking? Well, if we pull this out to a day, and we come back into what we saw before, I think that such a big growth with such a big pullback was inevitable. With what's coming out, and compare that to the hype last time, I think that we'll be pushing 2 cents again soon. There'll be some pretty good sell-off along the way. Yeah, one right here, 1611. I think that you're gonna start to see once you get through all these sell orders, we'll be fine. I just don't want people to get discouraged. The project's got some legs under it. It seems legit. It seems like they're working towards something. They want to do vertical and horizontal scaling to keep prices linear. I think, we had a natural pullback. I wouldn't be scared yet. Hopefully this was helpful. I'll try and make more Insolar videos in the future too. It seems like there's a pretty good demand for this. And cheers.